Greetings, music makers. I'm Dr. Cayari, and in this video we're going to have a lot of fun. We're going to use the chords C, F, and G to play the fun song from SpongeBob. So if you need to learn those chords, click up here or find the ukulele tutorials in the description box below. So grab your ukulele, warm up your fingers, and let's get ready to learn. So again, we'll need the chords C, F, and G. And this song is based on the chord progression C, F, C, G. So let's try playing 4 quarter notes on each of those chords. 1, 2, start on C. 1, 2, 3, now an F, back to C, now G, back to C, 2, 3, 4, we're done. In a previous video, we worked on uneven strumming. So if you don't know what uneven strumming is, click on the link up here. In summary, you take a longer down and a shorter up. In C, it will sound like this. Join with me. The rhythm that we're going to use is 1, 2, a 3, 4. So we only have one set of those uneven strums on beat 2. It'll sound like this. 1, 2, a 3, 4. Will you join with me just on C chord? Ready, go. 1, 2, a 3, 4. 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 Let's try it on F. Ready, go. 1, 2, a 3, 4. 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 Now on G. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, a 3, 4. 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 So the song will use this chord progression and this rhythm, once per each chord in the progression. Let's start on C. 1, 2, ready, go. Move to an F. C. And G. So that's the first half of the song. Let's try it together one more time. 1, 2, ready, go. F is for friends who do stuff together. U is for you and me. Let's try it one more time a little bit faster. 1, 2, ready, go. F is for friends who do stuff together. U is for you and me. The second half of the song is very similar. You'd play the C and the F. But now we have a different rhythm. We've got C for a half note, and then G for a half note, and then we have quarter notes C, F, C. C, F, C. So to review, we've got C to G to C, F, C. Let's try the whole second half of the song, starting with C and F on our uneven rhythm. 1, 2, ready, go. C. Now an F. Half notes. C to G to C, F, C. Now let's try it and I'll sing it. 1, 2, ready, go. N is for any time and anywhere at all down here in the deep blue sea. You can add different rhythms to down here in the deep blue sea. You can use the same uneven pattern. Down here in the deep blue sea. You can use 1, 2, 3 for it'll sound like this. Down here in the deep blue sea. Here's what a lyric sheet and chords would look like. Let's try the whole thing. 1, 2, ready, go. F is for friends who do stuff together. U is for you and me. N is for anywhere at any time at all down here in the deep blue sea. Are you ready to try it with my clones? Get ready. F is for friends who do stuff together. U is for you and me. N is for anywhere at any time at all down here in the deep blue sea. F is for frolic through all the flowers. U is for ukulele. N is for nose picking, sharing comments and licking here with my best buddy. Were you able to keep up? If so, fist bump that like button so that I know how many people were able to learn with us. If you're ready to replace one of my clones with a video of you, find the links in the description box below. Don't forget you can either use the version with lyrics by putting LY at the end, or no lyrics by putting NL at the end. Then don't forget to come back and comment below with a link to the video you created. If you're ready to move on to more ukulele chords, click on the Learn playlist over here. If you want more music under a minute projects, click on the Create playlist down there. And of course, if you want to subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss any of the resources I create, click on my face. And until next time, keep on making music.